All right, hello there, and welcome to the 8th episode of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics. It really is. One of my favorite, or maybe if not necessarily favorite topics, it's something that I use all the time in guitar playing, and I find it so important, and I don't feel like people talk about it very much. And that's left hand string damping. Because, you know, if you're familiar with, if you go to an open mic or something, you see people play a C chord and they play a big old E on the bottom of their C because they don't know that you have to damp the E. Just one example of it. Just many ways, and you know, there's so many chords that you can play that involve string damping. Almost any chord really involves some degree of string damping. So I wanted to show you an exercise that I like to do. And this is really when you're talking about strumming, especially really rhythmic strumming, and you want to pop out a melody. This is sort of extreme. It's not that often that you do a single note, but it's a good exercise to sort of get your fingers used to damping strings while letting one note go. So I'm going to start out just in the high E string, and I'm just going to play something on the high E string and damp the rest of the strings with my other fingers. Just sort of rest them gently on the strings so they don't sound. You can play kind of a little melody, hitting all the strings, strumming it really big, just letting that single note ring out. Then move the second string, the B string. Again, just muting every other string. Try to keep it as clean as possible. You know, if you hit a harmonic, of course, it'll probably pop out a little bit more. The main thing is you want that tone to come through. Third string, G string. Okay, D string. And even if you just sit on one string and just get used to that, try to get it real clean, that's good too. Fifth string, the A string. And it gets tougher the further down you go. You know, going down here, it's tough, so it's just a different challenge for your fingers. The sixth string is also kind of tough. It's a good exercise. Okay, so just try that on your own, just playing any kind of melody, any couple notes, and just try to hit all 6 strings. Just keep a melody nice and clean, and just have that melody pop out and mute the rest of them. All right, hope you find this useful. I'll definitely be talking more about string muting in the future because I think it's so important. All right, but hope it's useful. Let me know any questions or comments below. Thanks a lot.